Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to create new algorithm from 1 to n number, and we will get the sum of all these numbers. From our solution, let's right click and say add a new project, and here we use console.app cross-platform 1, not the .NET framework. And then I just name of my project, I say sum from 1 to n, something like this maybe. And let's put like a .NET framework 5, and let's create it. As you see, that is created. Let's first put a console read line here, to keep our console waiting. Let's put our startup projects. Right click here, set startup project. From our solution, whenever we run it, and this is sum from 1 to n, it will be functioning. Thing is that we want to do that from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to n. Let's say if our n is like, say, 250. From n number, we will get the sum of all of them. For example, 1, sum 2, 3, 3, sum 3, 6, 6, sum 4, 10 or 15 until 250. This will be. And in order to do that, we will also create another method. It will pass through our n number through parameters, and we will return it back. So now here we'll say private static, and let's say sum of n numbers. Maybe something like this is not as private static, and let's give the sign, and we'll say integer. Yes, yeah, okay, let's say integer n, because our last one is like 250, it is our n. We'll create a for loop, and then we'll sum all our from 1 to n. Let's create a for loop. Let's double tap it, and we say that it will start from 1. Let's put it 1, and then until which number? Until n, because through the parameters we'll pass, let's say if it's 250, and then it will shouldn't be less or equal, because we'll include like 250 also. And this is our for, and then we'll create another field. Let's say var total equal, let's put a 0 initially, and let's come here, we'll say total equal total plus e, sum e, sorry. So each time, for example, we will demonstrate as well also. Let's first create our console write line, console write, let's say write a let's say write a number to be summed from 1 until our number. And let's say integer number, and then we'll convert our read line console. Let's convert it to integer. And then let's call our sum of number. Then we'll send our number here. But here still we have to print this one inside the console write line. Let's say console write line. And let's get it inside our console write line. And let's here we'll say total. Let's do something like this. And here, after our loop is done, we'll say return total. Now it should be functioning well. Let's first put like a breakpoint here. Let's see how it is like a summary. We have to run not without debugging, but just run. As you see that, writes a number to be summed from one. Let's say I put 100. Then it is my breakpoint. Let's go. As you see that is total. Now there is like a touch here, pin. I just do like this and take it here. And then it's for E. I get it, and here. And let's go step over each time. First is our E, and E is 1, and total is 0, and then 0 plus 1, it will be 1. As you see, is 1. Now our I is equal to, and now our total it was 1. 1 plus 2 it will be 3. As you see, the total is 3. And now it's 3 plus 3 it will be 6, and it will be going like this, and until it reach our n number, it was 100. Then it will get like a total sum of it, and you will put inside the total. Then it will return this number. It will return here. So basically, this sum number, it is this one, equal this one. So let's close this. Let's run without debugging, and let's say 250 maybe. As you see that, from 1 until 250, sum of is like a 31,375. You can put another big number maybe. As you see that is 1 million, and 200,021 or something like this. Anyway, this is something like this. It's really simple. See you next video, guys.